Regina Constantino, Fiscal EJ, meron po kaming scammer. May warrant of arrest na po siya pero till now di pa nahuhuli ang kriminal. May expiration po ba yung warrant kasi namatay na abogado namin? Please pakisagot po. Wala po. Wala pong expiration yung warrant of arrest. Kahit na po 20 years, 15 years, he is a fugitive from justice. Meron nga akong isang kaso, murder case yun, no, na hindi pa ako abogado doon, hindi pa ako fiscal, na-file na yung kaso sa korte, murder case. Nagtago yung akusado. Nag-issue ng warrant ang court, hindi na mahanap. It was only after 23 years, I think, after he was arrested. So, hindi po paso yung warrant of arrest. Wala pong expiration date yung warrant of arrest. Yung search warrant po is merong expiration. 10 days lang po ata. From the time of the issuance of the search warrant, dapat ma-serve yung search warrant within 10 days. Pero yung warrant of arrest po, wala pong expiration yun.